have learned about the important punctuation mark called apostrophe. Apostrophe is generally used to show the possession of nouns and to show the omission of letters. So apostrophe basically makes a sentence shorter, either by helping in omission of letters or by showing possession. In that case, it reduces certain words. This is apostrophe. It looks similar to a comma, but a comma is generally placed after a word at the bottom, whereas an apostrophe is placed after a word at the top. So an apostrophe and comma, they look the same, but the difference lies in where they are put. If it is at the top, it is an apostrophe. If it is at the bottom, it is a comma. So let us see how we can use apostrophe. I did not go to school yesterday. Now in this sentence, we cannot use apostrophe for possession, but look at these two words. I did not go to school yesterday. Now did not. These are two words. I can shorten this sentence by combining these two words using an apostrophe. So did not can be written as did. So I write did. I take N from not. I write an apostrophe and T. Didn't. So I didn't go to school yesterday. This is the short form of did not and it is read as didn't, and we can write it using an apostrophe. So it is the same as I didn't go to school yesterday. I didn't go to school yesterday is the same as I did not go to school yesterday. So did not can be written as didn't using an apostrophe. He cannot run. Now once again we have can and not, which are two words. I can make them short using an apostrophe. So I write can, then I give an apostrophe and I write T. So he can't run. He can't run. Cannot becomes can't. He can't run. So two words combine to form one word using this apostrophe. I will not go for my tennis practice today. Now will not. So will not can again be combined. These two words can be combined to give a single word. Let us see what that word will be. Will not becomes won't. So W-O-N apostrophe T. I won't go for my tennis practice today. So will not becomes won't. Now you cannot write will not as will N apostrophe T. This is not the correct way of writing will not. Will not can only be concised to form won't. This is not how you can write will not. So you cannot make short forms by combining words on your own. There are certain fixed short forms for certain words which you can use. These are universally acceptable. You cannot make them at your own will or at your own choice. He is my brother. Now once again we have he is, and I can write it in short as he apostrophe s. He is my brother. So even in writing as well as in reading it, it's very crisp or short. He is my brother, he is my brother. So this was much quicker than saying he is my brother. Two words have combined to give a single word. So it is used for omission of letters or words. you should not cut trees. Now once again, should not comprises two words and I can make just one word, shouldn't. You shouldn't cut trees. It is my book. Now it is can be written in short as it apostrophe s. It's my book. Remember, it apostrophe s is the short form for it is, and it is also the short form of it has. So whenever you have it apostrophe s, it can be interpreted in two ways. It is or it has, depending upon the meaning of the sentence. So at times it is used for it is, at times it is used for it has. It's my book. It's is the short form for it is over here. We aren't attending the party. Can you put the apostrophe at the correct place? We aren't attending the party. So aren't is a short form. It is the short form for are not. So are not, we are not attending the party can be written in short as we aren't attending the party. So in this case, apostrophe will come after N. That is between N and T. We aren't attending the party. Note that when we write an apostrophe, there is no space after apostrophe. This T comes just after the apostrophe without any space. What's your name? Can you put an apostrophe at the correct place? Now what's is the short form of what is. So there will be an apostrophe after T. The sentence will be what's your name? What apostrophe is your name? What is your name? And apostrophe is between T and S. So we have seen how apostrophe can be used to combine two words to make them shorter and form one word. So these are some common short forms or contractions which you can use to make your sentences shorter. So for had not, we have hadn't. For have not, haven't. Did not, it's didn't. Do not is don't. Cannot is can't. Will not is won't. Is not isn't. Were not went. So you see, whenever we have not as the second word, at the end we have N apostrophe T. N apostrophe T. N apostrophe T. N apostrophe T. So for not we have N apostrophe T. I apostrophe D for I had or I would. I am for I am. U apostrophe D for you had or you would. We've for we have. Let's for let us. He's for he is or he has. They are for they are. And what apostrophe S for what is. So these are some common contractions or short forms which you can use. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.